How to add color filter to video in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Capcut application on your device and make sure that you choose the project that you want to add the color filter to. After that, you can see different menu over here at the menu bar at the bottom of the screen. So just swipe it to the left and you can see the option of filter over here. So just tap on filter and you can select any of the area where you want to add that color filter to. Then you can see the different filter options over here. Now to find the color filters, you can select on the search button over here, and then on the search button just search for color and you'll be able to see different color filters over here. So for example, if I want to add this one over here, I'm just going to tap on it. Then let's look if it has been added. So here you can see the color filter has been added to the video. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.